In this video, I'm going to teach you how to AirPlay on Samsung TV Series 7 or Samsung TV Series 8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Samsung TV model you have, you will be able to AirPlay from an iOS device, so an iPhone or an iPad. To do this, first you must change the network settings on the TV. So open the menu, go over to Settings, and then choose All Settings once more. Inside of All Settings, make sure that the same Wi-Fi network is being used on the TV and the iPhone or iPad. So the same Wi-Fi network must be configured on both devices. As long as you have the same network set up, then you can use AirPlay. So if one of them has a different Wi-Fi network, change it now. When you go inside of the connection category, you will find Apple AirPlay settings. So choose connection and then select Apple AirPlay settings. First, make sure that it is enabled. Then you might want to configure the require code option. Usually this will be set to the first time only, so only the first connection will require a passcode from your TV and your iPhone, and subsequent ones will automatically connect without the need of a passcode, and then you have subtitles and captioning if you prefer. Now, on the iPhone, as long as you are on the same Wi-Fi network as the TV, swipe down to display the control center, tap on this icon here, and this will show screen mirroring options. Now you can find your TV on the list, so make sure that you are in close proximity of your Samsung TV, choose it from the list, and if a passcode is required, input it from your TV into the iOS device. Choose OK, and now anything being displayed on the iOS device will be mirrored over into the Samsung TV. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos and solutions for you. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.